Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're diving into the delectable world of Japanese cuisine. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we explore the unique and delicious dish known as chawanmushi. And to make things even more intriguing, we'll be uncovering some unknown facts about this amazing delicacy. So, let's get started. Hey everyone! Chawanmushi is a traditional Japanese dish that has been enjoyed for centuries. It's a delicate, savory egg custard filled with a variety of ingredients. Now, let's uncover some fascinating facts about this hidden gem. Fact number 1, a dish with history. Chawanmushi, which translates to steamed in a teacup, was introduced to Japan from China during the Tang dynasty. Initially, it was a dish served exclusively to the upper class due to the rarity and cost of the ingredients. Over time, chawanmushi became more accessible, evolving into the beloved dish we know today. Fact number 2, a perfectly balanced flavor. One of the unique aspects of chawanmushi is its delicate balance of flavors. The savory custard base is made by combining dashi, a Japanese soup stock, soy sauce, and mirin, a sweet rice wine. This combination creates a rich and umami-packed flavor profile that perfectly complements the various ingredients added to the custard. Fact number 3, versatility at its best. While chawanmushi is traditionally made with ingredients like shrimp, chicken, and mushrooms, it has also evolved to include a wide range of options. Some modern variations include ingredients like crab, scallops, fish roe, and even vegetables. This versatility allows for endless creativity in the kitchen. Fact number 4, a culinary work of art. In Japanese cuisine, presentation is as important as taste. Chawanmushi is often served in beautiful lacquerware or ceramic teacups called chawan. The elegance of the dish is enhanced by the careful arrangement of ingredients, making it a true work of art that pleases both the eyes and the palate. Fact number 5, steamed to perfection. Chawanmushi gets its unique texture through the steaming process. It requires gentle heat to ensure a silky smooth custard. Traditionally, it's steamed in a covered bowl or cup for about 15 to 20 minutes. The slow and precise cooking method allows the flavors to meld together, resulting in a harmonious dish. Fact number 6, enjoyed in many seasons. Chawanmushi isn't limited to any particular season. It's enjoyed throughout the year in Japan. In warmer months, lighter ingredients like seafood and seasonal vegetables are incorporated. During colder months, heartier ingredients like mushrooms and chicken are preferred. It's truly a versatile dish that adapts to the changing seasons. And there you have it, folks. Chawanmushi, a dish with a rich history, a perfectly balanced flavor, and endless possibilities. Whether you're a fan of Japanese cuisine or just looking to try something new, chawanmushi is a must-try delicacy. Thank you all for joining me today on this flavorful journey. I hope you enjoyed discovering the unknown facts about chawanmushi. Remember to leave a comment below and let us know if you've tried chawanmushi before or if you're excited to give it a taste. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.